Well, this is an interesting article, linking geology and botany, a new approach. Geology is the study of the earth, including the rocks which compose it. Botany is the study of plants. Yeah, one might not suppose these two subjects have a lot in common. Oh, interdisciplinary study involving both geology and botany. It's called geobotany. The science is still young. Yeah, right. This article was written in 1971 when I was still young. And it says that the geology of Ohio, if not regarded too closely, may be divided neatly into two parts. The two parts are the western-ish calcareous, glacial till or limestone-based parts, and the eastern acidic, well-drained, poor nutrient sandstone parts. And especially interesting here is that E. Lucy Brown points out plants that have a distribution limited to, well, different substrates. But here's a list of plants that have a distribution generally limited to limestone or limey substrates. These are perhaps well known. And there's a list of them here. I wonder what some of these trees might be. Where are we? This is the Scioto River. It's there. And this is very thin soil over limestone. I'll show you the actual limestone. Here comes a boat. Woo. So this is where we are. This is limestone along the Scioto River. And over here are some ugly birds. You ugly bird. This is a clear case of a member of the white oak group called Quercus muhlenbergii. Common name is chinkapin oak. And chinkapin oak is one of the trees that Jane Forsythe denotes as being a very strict calciophile, a plant that loves limestone. Well, here's a tree that ought to be easy to genus because it has opposite pinnately compound leaves. And of course, that means it's an ash. But a close look at this ash will reveal that the twigs have angles on them. This is Fraxinus quadrangulata. This blue ash. Blue ash is a strict calciophile. See how four-angled these twigs are? You can see ridges along them. Blue ash. Fraxiquad, I like to call it. Fraxinus quadrangulata. Well, here's a tree, kind of reminiscent of elms. Leaves are kind of coarsely double-toothed, sort of oblong, heart-shaped, coming off of the branches in two opposing rows, even though the leaf arrangement is alternate. This is called hackberry. Often it has these little proliferations of branches, these witches' brooms. Hackberry, Celtis occidentalis, is another plant that Jane Forsythe tells us can be expected to be especially abundant on limestone. I can hack it. Hackberry.